Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we explore different ways to make money and build wealth. In this video, we're going to discuss the top 5 passive income businesses you can start in 2023, starting with number 5. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. 5. Laundromat. Number 5 on our list is the laundromat business. While it may seem old-fashioned, laundromats are still a profitable business that can generate passive income. Laundromats require little maintenance and can be operated with minimal staff. They are also recession-resistant, as people will always need clean clothes. The cost of buying a laundromat can vary greatly depending on location, size, and equipment. On average, a small laundromat with 10 to 20 machines can cost between $50,000 and $150,000. While a larger operation with 50-plus machines can cost upwards of $500,000. But since laundromats are a high cash flow business, you will likely be able to get an SBA loan or seller financing, which means you will only have to have 10 to 30% of the total sale price. To get started in the laundromat business, you can either buy an existing laundromat or build a new one. There are a variety of resources available to help you get started, including online marketplaces and business brokers. Additionally, you can reach out to industry associations or attend trade shows to learn more about the business. One challenge of the laundromat business is maintenance and repairs. Laundromat equipment can be expensive and require regular maintenance to keep it running efficiently. Machines can break down unexpectedly, and repairs can be costly and time-consuming. Additionally, laundromats require frequent cleaning to maintain a hygienic environment for customers. As a business owner, you'll need to ensure that the machines are serviced regularly, and that the facility is kept clean and well-maintained. This can be a challenge if you don't have the time or resources to manage these tasks effectively. However, with proper planning and a good maintenance strategy, you can overcome these challenges and run a successful laundromat business. Maintaining a laundromat business can be quite the challenge. I mean, you're dealing with machines that are used by dozens of people every day. Machines that are constantly working to clean mountains of clothes, towels, and sheets. It's no surprise that they require regular maintenance to keep them functioning smoothly. But here's the catch. Unexpected breakdowns can happen, and repairs can be quite costly. It's like having a car that needs to be serviced regularly, but instead of one car, you have multiple machines that need to be tended to. So, as a laundromat business owner, you'll need to be prepared for any unexpected expenses that may come your way. But don't worry. With a little bit of planning and a good maintenance strategy, you can overcome these challenges and run a successful laundromat business. You can schedule regular maintenance checks to catch any potential issues before they turn into bigger problems. 4. Short-term rental property. Number 4 is short-term rentals like Airbnb. Renting out your property on a short-term basis can provide a steady stream of passive income. All you need is a spare room or a vacation property that you can rent out for a few days at a time. The cost of starting a short-term rental business varies depending on the location and the size of the property. If you already have a spare room or vacation property, the cost of starting a short-term rental business may be minimal. However, if you need to purchase a property specifically for this purpose, the cost can range from tens of thousands to millions of dollars. To get started with short-term rentals, you can list your property on Airbnb, Vrbo, or other vacation rental websites. You'll need to make sure your property is clean, well-maintained, and furnished with basic amenities like towels, linens, and kitchen appliances. You can also hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations of your rental property. But, if done properly, short-term rentals can be an incredibly profitable business model. 3. Franchise. Next on our list is franchises. Franchises offer a proven business model and can generate passive income through royalty fees. Many franchises are designed to be passive businesses, where the owner can hire a manager to oversee the day-to-day operations. Some of the best franchises to buy include Subway, McDonald's, the UPS Store, and 7-Eleven. These franchises have a loyal customer base and a recognizable brand, but the initial investment can vary widely. With the right strategy and execution, franchising can be a lucrative business opportunity that aligns with your interests and skills. The cost of buying a franchise varies widely depending on the type of business, location, and franchise fees. On average, a franchise can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $1 million or more. It's important to do your due diligence and research the franchisor's financial history, franchise fees, and training and support programs. Once you've chosen a franchise, you'll need to go through the franchisor's application process and obtain financing to cover the initial investment. While you will have to pay a franchise fee, those who are seeking a safer return on investment may benefit due to brand recognition and the implementation of a proven business model. 2. Online business. Coming in at number 2 is an online business through online business marketplaces. These marketplaces offer a variety of businesses for sale, including e-commerce stores, affiliate marketing websites, and much more. The best part is that you don't need any technical skills to start and operate one of these businesses. Buying an online business can provide a flexible work schedule and the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes it an ideal option for those who value location independence or want to supplement their current income without leaving their day job. Additionally, many online businesses require little to no inventory or physical space, which can save on overhead costs. One of the biggest challenges of buying an online business is the need for technical skills. Depending on the type of online business, you may need to have knowledge of website design, coding, and digital marketing in order to effectively run and grow the business. If you don't have these skills, you may need to invest time and money in learning them, or hire outside help, which can be costly. The good news is many sellers are willing to train the buyer, and there are plenty of options for online businesses that do not require technical knowledge. The cost of buying an online business can vary greatly depending on the type of business, revenue, and profitability. On average, a profitable online business can cost anywhere from $5,000 to millions. However, it's important to do your due diligence and thoroughly research the business you're interested in purchasing. Look at the revenue streams, customer base, and the competition in the market. To get started with an online business marketplace, you can search online platforms such as Flippa, Exchange Marketplace, and Quiet Light Brokerage. These marketplaces offer a wide range of businesses for sale, and they have tools and resources to help you navigate the buying process. 1. Vending machines. Finally, our top passive income business for 2023 is vending machines. Vending machines offer a low-maintenance, passive income stream that can be set up in a variety of locations, such as offices, gyms, or malls. The vending machine business can offer a highly scalable business model with low overhead costs. There is no need to pay for a brick-and-mortar location or hire employees to manage the business. Vending machines can also be placed in a variety of locations, including offices, schools, and public areas, providing a wide potential customer base. Another benefit is that vending machines can generate passive income 24/7 without the need for direct involvement. This means that you can earn money while you sleep, work on other projects, or travel. The cost of buying a vending machine can range from a few $100s for a small machine to tens of thousands of dollars for a larger, more complex machine. You'll also need to factor in the cost of stocking the machine with products and maintaining it over time. To get started with vending machines, you'll need to find a good location for your machine and negotiate a contract with the property owner to secure a spot. You can also purchase vending machines from online marketplaces such as Amazon or VendNet USA, Facebook Marketplace, and OfferUp. So, there you have it, our top 5 passive income businesses for 2023. Remember, while these businesses are passive, they still require effort and investment to get started. But once you've laid the groundwork, you can sit back and watch the money roll in. If you're interested in buying any of these businesses, there are a variety of resources available to help you get started. Online marketplaces like BizBuySell and BusinessBroker.net offer a wide selection of businesses for sale, including franchises and vending machines. You can also consult with a business broker or attend trade shows and industry conferences to learn more about these businesses. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money and building wealth. Thanks for watching.